In today's video, I'm going to teach you Trello, how to navigate between boards after the 2025 interface update. First, go to Trello and log into your account. Once you're in, open any board so you can access the updated navigation tools from inside the workspace. This is important because the board switching options are easiest to use when you're already viewing a board. Now look at the navigation bar and click Switch Boards. This opens the board switcher, which is the main tool Trello now gives you for moving around quickly between boards. If you already know the board you want, just start typing its name into the search field. As you type, Trello filters the results and shows matching boards. When you see the board you want, click it to open it. If you don't want to search by name every time, click Switch Boards again and take a look at the built-in sections like Starred and Recent. The Starred section is useful for boards you use all the time, while Recent helps you jump back into boards you opened lately. Just select the board you want from either section and click it to open. There's also a faster shortcut if you prefer using your keyboard. You can press B to open the board switcher instantly. This can save time, especially if you switch between boards often throughout the day. Once the switcher is open, you can search or choose from the available lists just like before. Another helpful option is to pin the board switcher for easier access. To do that, click the pin icon in the top right. This makes the navigation tool more accessible, which can be especially useful if you work across multiple boards and want fewer clicks. You may also notice boards listed in the sidebar. You can click any board there to switch directly without reopening the search panel. And if there's a board you want to keep close, click the star icon on that board to favorite it. After that, it will appear under Starred inside the switcher, making it much faster to find next time. So the main idea is simple. Open switch boards from the navigation bar, search by board name if needed, or use Starred, Recent, and the sidebar for quicker access. For even faster navigation, use the B shortcut and star your most used boards. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. One last tip, starring the boards you use most is probably the best way to adapt to the 2025 interface update without slowing down your workflow. It keeps your most important boards easy to reach and cuts down on repetitive searching. Congratulations, you now know how to navigate between boards in Trello after the 2025 update.